Want to transform your body in just 4 weeks? Yes, you heard right, only 4 weeks. Now I know what you're thinking, 4 weeks, how is that even possible? Believe me, it's not only possible, it's achievable. You don't need magic potions or fancy gadgets. All you need is determination, consistency, and the right exercises. This is not about quick fixes or false promises. We're talking about real, tangible change that you can see and feel. Change that comes from within, change that lasts, and most importantly, change that makes you feel good about yourself. We've handpicked 5 exercises that target all the major muscle groups to give you a full-body workout. These exercises are designed to be challenging but not impossible. They are the kind of exercises that will make you sweat, make your muscles burn, and make you feel alive. So buckle up, because we're about to dive into the top 5 exercises that can make your transformation dream a reality. First on the list, the classic push-up. Not just your ordinary workout, but a powerhouse of benefits. Now, let's talk about the right way to do it. Begin in a high plank position, hands planted directly under the shoulders, body stretched out and parallel to the floor. Keep your feet together and make sure your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor, then push back up to the starting position. Remember, the key is to maintain control and form throughout. What's the payoff, you ask? Well, push-ups work your chest muscles, shoulders, and arms, and they also engage your core, making them a comprehensive upper body workout. But remember, no arching of the back, that's a big no-no. And there you have it, the humble push-up, a deceivingly simple exercise that works wonders on your upper body. So, push-ups, not just an exercise, but a tool for total upper body transformation. Next up, squats. Now this isn't just about getting that perfect rear view, it's so much more. Squats are a powerhouse exercise that work your entire lower body and core, giving you strength and stability. Think of squats as a life skill, not just an exercise. They help you do everyday tasks more easily, like lifting heavy objects or climbing stairs. Plus, squats can help prevent injuries by improving your balance and mobility. Now, let's talk technique. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Bend your knees and lower your body as if sitting in an imaginary chair. Keep your chest up, shoulders back, and make sure your knees are in line with your feet. Push through your heels to stand back up, squeezing your glutes at the top. That's 1 rep. Aim to do 3 sets of 15 every other day to start seeing and feeling the benefits. Remember, squats are your secret weapon to a stronger lower body. Moving on to the third exercise, the plank. This one's a silent killer, folks. It's like the Sherlock Holmes of workouts, unassuming but oh so effective. Now the plank isn't just about lying down on the job. It's about engaging your entire body, from your head to your toes. Imagine you're a plank of wood, straight and rigid. Your body should be in a straight line like an arrow flying through the air. No sagging, no arching, just pure, unadulterated alignment. This position helps enhance your core stability, making you as sturdy as a tree in the face of a storm. But remember, the plank isn't a fan of drooping. If your hips start to sag, you're not doing it right. It's like trying to play a piano with boxing gloves on. Not effective and not pretty. So let's embrace the silent power of the plank, the unsung hero of body strength. Planks, they might be quiet, but they're powerfully effective. Stepping into the fourth exercise, lunges. A simple step, a huge leap for your body transformation. Now, lunges are a fantastic way to enhance your leg muscle strength, and they're easier than you might think. Start by standing tall, then take a step forward, lowering your body until your front knee is bent at a right angle. Your back knee should hover just above the ground. Push back up to the start and swap legs. It's as simple as that. But let's not forget about the precautions. Always maintain a straight back and refrain from leaning forward. Your front knee should never go over your toes, and your back knee should never touch the ground. And remember, quality trumps quantity. It's better to do fewer lunges with perfect form than more with poor form. So here we have it, lunges, a simple step towards a stronger and more balanced body. And lastly, the mighty burpee. This one's a full package, a total body workout. The burpee is like that spicy ingredient that kicks up the flavor in a recipe. It's challenging, sure, but oh boy, does it deliver results. Let's break it down, shall we? Start standing straight, then drop into a squat. Kick your feet back into a plank position, do a quick push-up, then spring back to the squat. Finally, leap into the air like you're reaching for the stars. That's one burpee. This dynamo of an exercise boosts your cardio fitness, strengthening your heart and lungs. It's also a full-body strength workout, targeting your arms, chest, quads, glutes, hamstrings, and abs. Now, a word to the wise: land softly. This isn't about how hard you can hit the ground, but how smoothly you can transition from one move to the next. Protect those joints. Burpees, they're tough, but the transformation they bring is worth every drop of sweat. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 exercises to transform your body in just 4 weeks. We've ventured through the realm of push-ups, strengthening those arms and chest. We've dived into the depths of squats, a true friend to our legs and glutes. We've explored the world of planks, a core workout like no other. We've journeyed into lunges, challenging our balance and fortifying our lower body. And finally, we've braved the storm of burpees, the ultimate full-body exercise. Each of these exercises holds the key to unlocking a new level of fitness, strength, and confidence. They're not just workouts, they're tools for transformation. And the best part? You don't need any fancy equipment or a gym membership. All you need is determination, consistency, and perhaps a bit of floor space. So, are you ready to take the leap and transform your body? The next 4 weeks could change your life. Make them count.